In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into your Chase Online banking account, download your transactions, and import them into QuickBooks Online using a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you're going to need to log into your Chase Online banking account. Start by opening up your web browser and navigate to the Chase website. Once you're there, you'll see the login section prominently displayed on the home page. Enter your username and password into the appropriate fields. Before you hit the login button, you might notice a checkbox for Remember Me. If you're using a private device, this can be a handy feature to speed things up the next time you log in, but make sure not to use it on public or shared computers to keep your information safe. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click the login button. Now that you're logged in and on your dashboard, it's time to download your transactions. Look for the Accounts tab. From there, you'll need to select the specific account you'd like to work with. Once you're in that Accounts page, look for a section or option that says Download Transactions. You'll typically find an option to download them in different formats such as CSV or QBO, which are compatible with financial management software like QuickBooks. Choose the one that suits your needs best. Here, we're going with the QBO format since it's ideal for QuickBooks. With your transactions downloaded onto your device, we're now ready to import them into QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and log into QuickBooks Online if you haven't already. Once logged in, head straight to the banking section. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Banking and it will direct you to where you can manage all your financial transactions. Look for an option labeled Upload Transactions or sometimes simply Upload. This will open up a window where you can import the file you've just downloaded from Chase. Click on Browse, locate your downloaded QBO file on your computer, and open it. Once your file is open, QuickBooks will typically prompt you to review the transactions before they are fully imported. Take a moment here to ensure everything looks correct. This is your opportunity to catch any discrepancies and ensure that all transactions align with your records. Once everything checks out, go ahead and confirm the file import. QuickBooks will then bring in those transactions, making it easy for you to stay on top of your bookkeeping without any hassle. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully logged into your Chase account, downloaded your transactions, and imported them into QuickBooks Online. This process ensures that your financial records are up to date and helps streamline your accounting tasks, leaving you more time to focus on growing your business. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.